how to search for restaurants on Yelp. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can search for restaurants on Yelp, and here is how to go about it. Now, the first step to do is to download the Yelp app from your Google Play Store, Apple Store if you're using your mobile phone. But if you are using the website, just go to your website, and then once you've downloaded the app or you're on the website, next is just to log in, create an account and log in. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to this page automatically, and then you will notice that on this home page, by the top part of the screen, you can see the search box, okay, or the search button or whatever. So the search box is where you can now go ahead and search for restaurants. So after clicking on the search box, click on restaurant. All right, and then based on your location, restaurants close to you would be displayed, so you can now go ahead and explore reviews, photos and menus to find the perfect dinner spot. It is very simple. Currently in my location, restaurants are not being displayed, all right, are not available. As for you, once click on restaurants based on your location will be displayed. You can now go ahead and select any of the choice, any of the ones that you want, all right. And then you must note that Yelp provides a wealth of information about local businesses, including restaurants, so you can always make informed choices and discover new culinary delight. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a good day.